Hello there, Rack here. I'm here to show you off a little bit of my collection. I'm going to be going in chronological order of how I acquired them. I'll show off the figure, I'll tell a little bit about it, and I'll do a little transformation demonstration for you. Here we have, I believe that's Universe Acid Storm from 2008 is when that mold came out. It's the Classics Seeker mold, if I'm remembering my nomenclature. Really popular mold. I think it's a real big improvement over the original G1. You don't have to detach the wings, you don't have to detach the fist. The only parts that really come off are the weapons. The weapons have been retooled from character to character. I forget exactly which variation was used on Acid Storm here. But without too much further ado, let's get started on transforming this bad boy. First steps first is we're going to remove the weapons. Fold the fists in. Alright. Fold the leg there. There's a little peg that pegs in. There's a peg there. Peg hole. There is matching peg. Ooh, we can get focus. There's a matching peg right here. Flip down his tail fins. Flip up the feet. Straighten out and join the legs. Simple peg in the hole there. Now for the fun stuff. Grab a hold here. Oop, and just pull them over. These arms flip in. Or they would if they had the clearance. The head's a nice piece of work. Comes up, out, around, and up. Of course, tabs and the pegs. Close up. Wanted to be proper here. You get these boob vents. They come out. Form a landing gear of sorts. Flip the wings down. And push back. Make sure everything's tabbed in secure. Take these, plug them into the very obvious gaps for them, and a perfect little amalgamation of a F-15 and the F-16, something like that. Good deco here. Nice little camouflage motif because at the time they were trying to be more realistic. The tampograph Decepticon symbols I like. Purist might be upset that they're facing this direction and not the other way, but this isn't Starscream, so it doesn't really matter much. And of course, to go back to robot mode, we simply reverse the steps. But I think I'll leave him in vehicle mode. And that is that.